Hi, I'm Noah De La Paz.
And I'm Jose De La Paz.
We invented Shoo, a dog deterrent device because we got tired of seeing shh. No, really. Every time I would look out on the lawn, I would see a big pile of turd on the grass. And I'm upset about it because I'm the one that has to clean it up. So let me show you how it works. Shoo can be placed in front of your home. The camera scans for animals. When an animal is detected, it processes the image through an AI engine. If the AI engine determines it's a dog, it sends a command and sends a high-pitched sound. This causes the dog to shoo and keep moving, preventing a poop being dropped on your lawn. Let's look at the process. We created an IBM Watson cloud account, generated the API key. We created a machine learning for kids account and entered the IBM API. We created the labels and uploaded the images. Using ScratchX, we added the web API URL to create the AI blocks. We then created all stages, sprites, and code. Now let's see it in action. It's time to put AI to work for us, the kids. It's time for Shoo.